Welcome back. I hope we took a 5 minute break. Take a 5 minute break. If you haven't taken a 5 minute break, take a 5 minute break and come back. Okay. So now let me just look at how many questions I have to answer. Question 8, 9, 10. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, for the sake of you getting your homework done, I'm just gonna tell you the answers and we can go over it tomorrow because it's 11:28. You gotta get your work done, and I don't want you to submit it late. All right, so let me just tell you the answer. I'm gonna shortcut it. So basically, here's how it works. This program takes the first two characters and checks it if it's in here. If it's in here, it increases the count. So this one takes the first two characters. So first, when I was 0, we looked at these two. When I was 0, we looked at these two. Now, when I is 1, we're gonna look at these two now. So it's O. So we did OO. Is OH? Is OH in this? False. So nothing happens. Now this would turn into 3. So now we go here. So now we get the next two. Because this gets the first character and the next one. So now we're doing HI. Is HI in here? False. So now we do HI, now we do dash L. Is dash L in here? False. Now we do the next two. Now we do LA. Is LA here? Yes. So count plus equal in count now has a value of 2. So we did LA, now we do A dash. Is A dash here? False. Now we did A dash, now we do dash L. Is dash L here? False. Now we did dash L, so now we do LA. Is LA here? Yes. So now we have the answer. So now in count is 3. We turn in count, the answer should be 3. Because you see, this gets the first one, this gets the second one. So this is I'm going to count. This is the first time I equals 0. This is I equals 0. This is I equal 1. This is I equal 2. This is I equal 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So because once you understand the logic of what the program doing, you can shortcut and get the answer. So this is 3. You want me code? I'm coded long, but I won't explain it for the sake of time because you have to get this assignment done on time, and I don't want to. I just want you to get this assignment done on time. So we go over it tomorrow. Copy. Let's go Python tutor. Uploading edit code Python tutor. We fix this. We put this under here, right there. Print. Run an execution. Made a mistake. Take this out. Question 4. Okay, let's go. I'll be fast now. Boom. Ooh la la. Count. Count plus 1 because it took the first two. Now, once it takes the first two, it's going to take OH. See, now it took OH. Now it's going to take H dash because this takes the first. It takes the first. If it takes the first two characters, then the next time it runs, it takes OH. Then the next time it runs, it takes H dash. The next time it runs, it takes dash L. The next time it runs, it takes LA. Next time it runs, it takes A dash. Next time it runs, it takes dash L. And the next time it runs, it takes LA. Three. Okay, continuing. Sorry about the rest, but question 8. So with these questions, I just put in the value. To the question 8. So question 8. When I see when I see an or statement inside of this, just evaluate it. True or false. This is an or table. One of them has to be true. So this is true, this is true, this is true and false. For and table, both of them have to be true. Not false. What is false? False is false. Not false will be true. So now you have accumulator. You have for XPR and Boolean expressions. So this is here. So each value of XPR is equal. So the first time it runs, XPR is equal to true. So I'm going to put a pointer here. The first XPR is equal to true. If XPR is equal to true, accumulator plus equals 1. So accumulator, I'm going to put accumulator here for the sake of time. I'm just going to put A. Accumulator, this is turn 0. Accumulator plus equal 1. What is the value of accumulate? 0. So now it's 1. Then you have accumulator and accumulator times equals 2. Let me see if this let me see. What is 1 times, what is 1? This means take the previous value of accumulate and multiply by 2. So now accumulate is 2. And it says continue. So that means it comes back here. So now this is, if it's equal to true, plus equal 1. So now accumulate is 3. It comes here. 3 times 2 is 6. Now it continues. Now it goes here. True. Now true. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. It comes back. Continue. Comes back here. Now this runs. True. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. So the answer, then it comes here. Then now, wait, hold on. Okay, so now it comes down here. What's the value accumulated? 30. So the answer would be none of the above. Let me clean it out. I'm sorry I'm going fast, but time is running out. I don't know how long it's going to take to upload these videos. So edit code. See? True, true, false. True or true. True or false is true. True. True and false is false. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. True and false is false. Ay. So what I'm gonna do is I multiply by 2, right? So I'm gonna divide by 2. It give me 15. Then I'm gonna minus 1. Give me 14. So the answer is 14. Oh, the answer is break. The answer is 6. Because here's what happens. It's false. False is false equal to true? No. Breaks means exit out the for loop, so the value is 6. I'm sorry I'm rushing. So the value, this is wrong, this is wrong. The value, the answer is 6. So question 9. No, I'm almost done. Question 9. Q, what is the matrix? Split length at T, RTN, AT list for okay. So you're gonna go here. The function is gonna come here. Split length, what is Q? What is the matrix? So split length T. So split length T. So now Q. This is T. What is the matrix? RTN equals 0. A list is equal to T dot split. So that means now it's a list. Comma, 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 comma. So for S and A list, so the first value of A list is going, so S is going to be here. This is the first value of A list. So is what okay. So RTN plus length equals S. What is the length of what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. RTN was 0, so now RTN is going to be 4. It comes back again. S is now equal to is. What is the length of is? Is 2. Take the previous value of return and add 2 to it. So now it's 6. So now it's here. What is the length of the? The is 3. Take the previous value RTN and add and plus 3. This is 9. Now what is the matrix? Now it's here. S is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that's the length of the matrix. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. RTN plus equals 6. 9 plus 6. That is 14. 9 plus 6. Let me see. That would be 15. The answer is 15. So now let me run it. It's 11:39. Let me just hurry up. We got one more question left. Then hopefully you have enough time to submit your assignment. And copy everything. What is the matrix? T is equal to what is the matrix? Return 0. Splits. So now you have this list. S equals to what? What is the value? What's the length of what? So now you go here. The length of what is 4? 4 plus 0 is 4. It comes back. S now is. The length of S is 2. 4. The previous value of return is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now you go back. Now S is the. The length of the is 3. 3 plus 6, 9. Now you go back. S is now matrix. The length of matrix is 6. 6 plus 9, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 plus 6 is 16. I made a mistake. I'm sorry. It's 16. 9 plus 6 is 16. I'm sorry. So the answer should be 16. Now let me finish this real quick. Okay, I have a function. Okay, so now Seuss is equal to open that text. Seuss writes, today you are you. This is truer than true. Seuss writes, there's no one alive who's youer than you. Sue that close occurrence your text that you. Sue that close. Okay, let me just type. Let me show you what's happening. So let's open up Word. So where it says Sue's that right, so this line here, it makes it. This says it makes a new file called u.txt. So better yet, sorry, don't save. No, right click, new text. So it makes it so rename. So this is u dot u dot t. You may this is the name of the file created u.txt. When you open it up in write mode. So basically, this is what happened. This this is so when you say c dot write, Sue's dot write. Today says you are you you are you. That is truer than true. Then you see this period. You have a period. Sorry. You have a period, then you have slash n. Slash n means hit the enter key. So then it writes, there is no one alive who is you than you. Close it. Then close the file. So now you close this, save. So now save. So now you're here. As soon as I close, then you come up here. RTN is equal to 0. INF, open file name. So now you open this. Then it says INF RTN. Then it says for line in INF. So it's reading line by line. So it starts here. So line lower is equal to line lower. So line lower is equal to line dot lower. So it makes everything here lowercase. So everything here, when you see line lower, so everything is lowercase. So make this so to today you are you that is truer than you. So everything is lowercase. So this is the first line. Then RTN plus equals line dot lower. So line dot lower is this line that counts search string. What is search string? Is you. So now what you're doing is looking for you. You're looking for you in search string. How many U's occur? So you have this is one value, that's one. This is two. So you have two U's. So RTN plus equals two. Because this is a count method. Count returns the number of occurrences. So this is U. So now it comes back here. So now the line is here. Now it says line lower is equal to line dot lower. So this is now lower T. Okay. So now you come here. The search string is U because that's what they passed in. So line dot lower dot count U. Count how many times U appear in that line. So I have one. I have there is no one alive who is youer than you. No time. So the answer, then close the file. So now this file is closed. So now return value, the answer should be 2. Now let me pull it up. It's 11:47. I don't know, hopefully it's coded up so you can understand, and that'll be it. Open is not supported by Python through instead use IO string IO to simulate the file. Here's an example. So I'm gonna change the code just a little bit so you can see visualize what's happening, because Python doesn't like that. This interactive thing, this visual display doesn't like it. So I say f is equal to IO string IO. See the first line, then that lower makes it lowercase. You see? Now how many U's occur in this string? I'm sorry. I have to fix this. Sorry. I know what to do. Just do the. Yep, there we go. How many U's occur? There's 1, 2 U's. So RTN is now 2. Now it goes here. See the lowercase version? There's none. Oh, it returns 4 because this right here. It looks at character by character in each word. So that's what happened. So the answer is 4. So in this example, Sorry, let me erase. So the answer is none of the above. Those are the answers. This video's done. Let me upload it, so hopefully you get time to do it.